Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, I give you a very warm welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So guys, today we are going to make a kinky crochet wig. So first of all, I wear this net on the dummy inside out. Take note that it is inside out because I noticed the net is a bit flabby and I just needed to tuck that extra net in and sew it up with my needle and thread. But guys, if your net is not as flabby as this, then just skip this part and carry on with the wig. So but first of all, I have to sew in all that extra net, and once I'm done, I just take it out and wear it back the right way. Don't forget that. So I'm wearing it back the right way. So the part I sewed is inside the net, and now I'm ready to start with the wig making proper. So I'll be using this hair. I made these curls myself. I'm going to share a video on how I achieved these curls. I made these curls using Xpression attachments. Yeah, so for the back, I split the hair into two, but subsequently as I progressed to the front of the wig, I would be splitting the hair into tinier pieces, into like 3 or 4 pieces. But for now, I am splitting the hair into two because the strands are big. So I'll just keep adding hair, and I am actually putting the large hook through 2 to 3 holes of this net. And so I forgot to pin the net to the dummy, so I had to use my T-pins to pin the net so it will be easier to work with. So guys, like I said, I made these curls myself, but I didn't want this video to be too long, so I'll be uploading how I achieved these curls in a separate video. So guys, look out for that video. So guys, with the way I'm making this wig, I guess you can already tell where my parts will be. It's a side part, so I'll just keep adding hair while making sure that I put more hair on this side. So this is where my part is going to be. So you can see that I started using smaller strands of hair since I got to the front. And guys, I will be putting some hair right along the band, since this is where my part is going to be, to give it a more natural look. That's what I'm doing now. I'll just put some hair right along this band to cover it up. So right now I'm done, so I'll just trim the ends of the hair and all the extra long hair that are just flying all over the place. And so yeah, that's just basically it. So guys, I guess it is very obvious that I gave this wig a very serious bath with my styling moves. You know how it is. And last but not the least, I give the wig the last finishing touch with my hairspray, and we are good to go. And this is the finished look. Our wig is done, all nice and clean, and I love it. I love it. And of course, I had to try it on to see how it looks. So at the end of the day, the wig is more like an afro kind of kinky wig. So this is what it looks like on my head. And the truth is, I feel like giving this wig out. I don't know who I'm going to give it to, but I definitely know I'm going to give it out. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you love this video, please give me a huge thumbs up and tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.